All right, guys, we're bringing you another great product that I really liked. I loved having this for our Christmas tree this year in Christmas. This is just the Wemo smart plug-in that obviously made by Wemo. It's called the Wemo Mini. I'll give you guys the model. If you guys end up liking this video, you can actually purchase these. I actually bought this one off of eBay. I think it was like 17 bucks. It was a refurbished one. Typically they run about 30 bucks. But anyway, it doesn't bother me at all. It worked just fine. But anyway, so I bought this, picked it up, plugged it in. Obviously, I've got here a quick little guide, so in case you guys threw it out or if you want to see how it actually works, we can actually do this real quick. So obviously, get the app, obviously the Wemo app, that'll allow you to control it. So as soon as you get it, obviously this will go white and you'll see that light go and it'll be connected and you can obviously be anywhere in the world as long as you got your cell phone. You use Apple and Google Play. You can get the app, turn it on and off wherever you want. You can set all kinds of parameters, times, days, random settings, all kinds of fun stuff, so you can make it look like you're home if you're not, whether you got lamps, Christmas trees, whatever it may be. So I think that's really awesome. So I'll keep going through this and I'll do another updated video alongside with this. It'll be a actual video on the app and I'll show you guys how to quickly use that, show you guys what it has to offer, and we'll do that as well. So obviously the hard part, plug it into the wall outlet. Number three, go into your settings, and it's much like an Amazon Echo, Alexa, whatever you guys use there. You're gonna have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Obviously, do it using the Wemo Mini, and when you do that, you're gonna set it up. Then obviously go into the app, and when you do that, you'll be able to personalize it with your login setup process, and that's about as simple as it really is. So it's super, super easy. Literally just plug this in, get the app, and start going through it like that. Do exactly as it says, and that's all it takes. And at worst, if it doesn't, you can always use this to actually turn it on and off if by chance you end up having any troubles. But other than that, the app is what's awesome because you can set in all kinds of days, timers, random, every day of the week. You could set it at Monday at 6 and Tuesday at 7, just at random times, make it look like I said you're really home. And that's what's really important today. In today's day, you just got to make it look like you're home, and that's the most important thing. So hope you guys like this one. The one thing I will plug in before we get out of here is actually the Amazon Alexa, Echo, Dot, whatever you call them. These work seamlessly with them. I absolutely love it. You just tell it, Alexa, turn on Christmas tree, or turn on lamp 1, lamp 2, whatever you decide to call them in the app. You just tell Alexa how to actually turn it on and off. So, anytime we go to bed, I'll just say, hey, Alexa, turn Christmas tree off or on in the morning. And so that's super awesome. So I don't even have to use the app in the end scheme. So anyway, hope you guys like that video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below. That's what I need the most, is those subscription. I do one video a day for a year, showing you guys if we can make it up with this YouTube process. And like I said in my other videos, it takes 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I try to let you guys know that in each video because I don't know how broad this audience is, and so you need that in order for us to be successful. And so that I'm basically pumping you a video a day just so that I can get so much content out there. One, to hopefully entice my subscribers that hey, they're getting a video a day, and two, to obviously bolster up that content view hours, so that if I try not to post anything that's terribly long, so that we but still hitting 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot of minutes to watch. So that's what we're really pushing for. So feel free to support me if you guys like, down below. Please hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.